Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to replace a photo in Photoshop for two way. Applying the first way, right click mouse, convert to smart object, then again right click mouse, replace content, then select another image or apply. Wait few second or few minutes. Okay, then Control T, zoom out, hold shift, drag it for fixed size. And apply another way. Go to file, open, click and drag it, apply the same process and right click mouse, create clipping mask. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.